Cars and Coffee, Hobby Lobby, Sunday, California, Maryland. Looks like a pretty decent turnout. There's a G8. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for watching, folks. Let's see what we can get into. Four-door Chevelle, we've seen him before. Oh, look at that. Nice El Camino. The Mustang GT350 is one of the newer Mustangs. Ah, we've seen this before. Truck on the ground. Mustang. More Mustang. Got some of the foreign stuff over here. Seen a couple of these before. Let's get a shot of them. Something running over here. How about this? How about Ricky's Charger Daytona? And yes, it is a real one. Absolutely fantastic. There we got all the motorcycles here. Guys are getting ready to leave. We're a little late getting here. But I don't think that's really a VW van. I think it's badged as such. I don't know what, I can't remember what that is. But look at this. Sunbeam Tiger. Remember the show Get Smart? He drove one of these in the intro in some of the episodes. Sunbeam. Regular Sunbeams have a 4-banger in them. These Sunbeam Tigers were modified for a Ford V8. Pretty neat. Oh, speaking of neat, a Lamborghini Countach. That's neat. Triumph Stag. Good stuff. Got a Corvette. Got John's Corvette here. 62, right?
Yes, sir.
I love it. Great looking car. And we're gonna walk around some more. Got a Corvette. Got a couple of Mustangs over here. Got a Boss 302. New Edge GT. That's neat. A lot of people have left already. There's Camaro. Mitsubishi. The nice cat SUV. Check out this Caprice. That's clean. Chevelle. Camaro. A Jeep. Got a Mazda, I think. Look at this. Chevy, early 50s Chevy. Get that from the other side. Better sun angle, still a little tough. There's some of the show field around here. Nice Toyota truck. You don't see that often. Let's see what we got over here. We'll take a walk up this aisle and loop around. A nice Mach 1 there. 2 Mach 1s. Another 5.0 Mustang and a Camaro. Nice wagon there. Soupy wagon. Nice Mustang. Looks like it's lowered a bit. Got a Honda SUV, truck, Prius. Got a Boss 302. GT California Special. Get these Mustangs here. 5.0, and then there's a 60s Mustang. Nice C10 step side. I don't know what this is. What is it? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. Maybe there's something on the steering wheel that tells us. No. What is it?
For your work.
Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's Alex's van. There's the Mustang parked beside the G8 over there. Got some doggies.
Yeah, they're 11 weeks old.
Got all the doggies of Cars and Coffee. There's a Caprice PPV leaving. There's a Ford Bronco. Here's some other Broncos.
You sure? I mean, I don't want to. I'll give you something for it. Yeah, I'll give you something. Yeah.
And then
Got the Cherry Sue. There's that one. And got another Ford there. Truck for sale there. Let's go over here and take a look at this one. I think we've seen this one before. Sure, yes we have. I believe it was fire department at one time. Nice looking Cadillac. Corvette. There's a McDonald's over there. coming, going. Pretty busy. A nice Jeep here. That's nice. How about a Terminator Cobra? It's got a turbo on it. Nice Fox body. Look at this CUDA. Nice. Got air conditioning. Let me get a better view of it from back here. Oh yeah. What else did we miss? C10 short wide box. That's really clean. Got a nice stance to it. I believe we got some LS action going on under the hood here. Yes, we do. There's a 5.0 Mustang. There's another 5.0 here. That's neat. Here's another view of the El Camino. Mustang's leaving. Early Mustang. Looking nice in the blue. Seen this before. Right-hand drive luxury. He's got everything fitted out inside here. Have a ready for a party. Free candy. That 260Z. Most of these had bad rust problems. Beautiful cars. Always wanted one of these. Still do. Wouldn't mind having one.
It felt like I was pushing on a dead pedal though. Yeah.
There's a 5.0. I don't know if we got him before or not. And BMW. Nice looking paint on that thing for sure. Hey, how you doing? Nice Toyota truck here. Another Bronco here. Nice blue on that one. Got Ford Falcon. That's nice. Look at that. Small block Ford powertrain. Nice Mustang GT. And a really clean 67 Camaro. Which engine is in it? 350. Column shift, that's rare. Neat car though. About a Buick LeSabre. Really nice styling on these. About International pickup. That thing's neat. It's a rough and ready look to it. Let's get the other side. Oh yeah, really nice. That'll probably do it for Cars and Coffee. Thanks for watching. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. You guys take care. Thanks for watching. The show is for you guys. Thanks for all the support. We just hit 9,400 plus subscribers recently. Looking towards 10,000. Maybe someday we'll get to 100,000. Who knows?